Hello everybody, namaste and welcome to my channel. My name is Ritu and my channel's name is Ritu's Rainbow World. So these are few previous videos that I have uploaded and few are very requested videos. So if you are watching this channel for the first time, do take a moment to check out all these videos, and you can definitely go ahead in video section and get all the updated about my channel. I'm looking forward for your support, and you can definitely go ahead and support me by subscribing to the channel. Follow me on Instagram and Facebook. All the handles will be in the description box.
Done the eye shade, which is really different. It's a little yellowish. It all depends. If you want to develop the color, you can definitely develop it. I somewhere feel I need to develop the color because it's getting too lighter. So again, you can take the same thing and kind of apply it. It becomes real easy to apply, and at the same time you get real pigmented. So I'm applying 2 more coats to give it a little intense color that might match up to my top. So that's pretty much. So I've used only 2 colors from this palette, and honestly, if you really wanted to buy this palette, do comment me. I will give you the particular link of from where you can purchase it. So quickly I will be moving to the eyeliner. Now eyeliner part, since it's a requested video, I tried to let you know how to do eyeliner. Now I'm using this sketch eyeliner from Swiss Beauty. So this is the eyeliner, this is sketch liner. You can take any eyeliner and then use it. Now what is the trick is, you need to apply from the middle of your eyelids and then you go this corner. So I will be starting from the middle one, which is here, then slowly follow the eye part, and then comes the wing. So you have to be really careful whenever you are doing the eye makeup. The eyeliner should be sketch liner. Then I'm gonna finish this. Since I got a little idea, I will take it a little broader and then drag it this way. So that's how you can, again I will start with this eye from the mid, and then I will drag it backwards, and then slowly I will come inside. So that's how you can do it. And for the wing, always follow your eye, this thing, and you have to do this way. Now this is little smudged, so I will make a thick liner, and again this will be little thick, and then it will run back. So it's very simple. Again, for the lower lash, follow the waterline and then you can do it. Again for this, follow the lower waterline and then do it. Little bit you can find the challenge because your eye shadow that you have applied is a little powdery. So that's why I always go for the sketch liners. So that's how you can easily apply your liners. I hope this was little helpful. Again, since you have used the powdery eyeliner, always go for mascara because your eyelids must be having the powder, kind of the eye powder that you have applied, because it's very pigmented, so there might be fallouts. So what you can do is you can take a little or bigger the fluffy brush and then dust off whatever is excess lying on your face. I am taking this Me On Doll Eye Mascara and I'm just gonna put the mascara. Very simple. Do like this and then pull it upwards. That's how you can do mascara as well. Do it on all the eyelashes. Trust me, I do not use falsies, but this mascara is love. Same thing you can do is simple, very simple to apply mascara. You have to be confident enough with your hands first. Also on the lower lash line. So that's pretty much. I have not done my brows, so I will be doing my brows as well. I've spilled my mascara. So for the brows, I usually go for the brow kit, but I think there is one other way. You can take the spoolie. I don't have the spoolie. Oh. And then you can fill this up. I did not sit with my brow pencil because the entire look was for how to create this yellow, specifically the eyeliner, and how you can take the yellow thing. The next is the last step before your lip liner would be your inner corner highlighting. So I think I will be taking this bronzer kit from H&H, and then I will be applying in the inner corners. Now I will be taking this color and applying in the inner corners with the help of the same brush, which is this. So this is what I'm taking. I will be highlighting, brushing off the excess. Such a beautiful highlighter it is, by the way. Very beautiful. Bridge of the nose. Then obviously take your fluffy brush and then kind of blend it. You can highlight your this part as well, which I usually do. So I'm just gonna take the same brush and then highlight this area. Blend it real well, guys. Any makeup to look good is blending part. So you should be blending your makeup real good. Okay, and then I will be using blusher or bronzer. So usually from the same palette, I will be taking this, and I'm gonna smile and apply here. And that's pretty much. This is such a beautiful, guys, I can't tell you how beautiful it is. Definitely you can use your makeup fixer. And the last thing which I'm gonna apply is from the Sugar, and I'm in the shade Fam Time. By the way, I will be soon uploading my favorite lip shades this festive season, so do not forget to check that video. That video is going to be super excited and super good. I've categorized the lip shades into 3 parts, and then I've shown all of my favorite lip shades. So I am using this shade, and I'm just gonna complete my entire look. Wow, so this is lovely. So that's pretty much. I'm wearing this kind of hoops, and I am done with my look. Do let me know how you loved this look. I will give you a close picture of it. So that's how it turned out to be. I absolutely love this complete look. I suppose you also loved it. This look is very amazing, very simple. I think I have created within 12 minutes, I suppose, and it is seriously amazing look for this festive season. So if I go for the party or somewhere like this, I always carry such look with a beautiful bronzer and highlighter and a perfect winged eyeliner, which is a little broad, by the way. If you can see, this went out, but I'm gonna correct this. But this is so perfect. So I hope this was also very helpful to you guys. If yes, do take a moment to subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram and Facebook, and I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.